Before I move on with this discussion, I want to first of all, I want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my content. Thank you so much for your kind words and everything that you've done to my life. Thank you so much for sharing my videos. Thank you so much for sharing videos with me that you want me to react on. Bless up every time. I don't take that for granted at all, because I know not everyone tries this YouTube thing and actually makes it, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm not special. I thank God and I thank my audience every time, ladies and gentlemen. Bless up Jamaican food. Let's get on with this.
Menyayat.
Mana? Mana?
Menyerastan.
Huh? Huh?
Really nice. Coconut with the beans and rice, huh?
And garlic and
Garlic.
scallion.
Yeah, I can
Really
smell
tastes
it.
good. Very delicious.
More happy to have this delicious food. Not just enjoy it, it's more than enjoying.
like masay way. Pili-pili?
Yes, pili-pili. Wow.
Nice. Very tasty. Very good.
So, Mom, you never had Jamaican food before.
No, looks awesome.
It's like a braised oxtail, and this is, they call this gravy. It's not sauce. I kept calling it sauce, and they corrected me, and it's actually called gravy. So,
100%, 100%. I like them both.
they're both perfect score. 10 out of 10.
Yes. And the rice too. With the rice is really done right. Perfect. Not chewy as most of the restaurant rice. Not so sticky as I make.
Yeah.
Just right. And the beans too.
Well, there you have it.
And the vegetable. Oh my gosh.
My mom's actually a harsher critic than me at restaurant food, and she gave it a higher score than I did, I think.
Actually, I am. But this is really good. I don't know.
Yeah, I haven't tried this one, so I'm going to try that for the first time. So this is the festival. All right, I'm trying the festival for the first time. It's like a doughy little donut or something. I don't know if it's going to be sweet or savory. I have no idea. But here we go.
Oh wow.
It is like a donut. It's really good. It's not too sweet. There's a little bit of sweetness to it though.
Just perfect. So good that you don't even need a butter or nothing. You can just eat.
Yeah, so if I have it with oxtail, all right, here we go.
Oh, this is so good. I cannot stop.
This with the gravy is really good. Very, very good.
No time to use fork or anything. Finger licking with gravy. Wow. It's so good that you can just dip anything.
Yeah.
You can eat with anything. This is really good.
Very good.
I cannot wait to come back.
You're gonna come back and get it again?
Yes.
I want to try some other stuff they have on the menu too next time.
Easy on the curry.
All right, well, that's the review. My mom approves. I'm sure my dog Sully approves too.
No doubt.
Here's a little bit of festival for you. You tell me your review.
This is really good. Wow.
You love it, don't you? I'll have to give some to Leia. They do love donuts. Mom, you're still eating. So my mom tells me all the time, she always tells me that I have to slow down and eat really slow. But like ever since I've been recording her eat this, she has been seriously going at it. She hasn't even taken a little break.
I didn't even take a breath. I'm chewing. Wow.
So this is an honest review. Like she was gonna give an honest review and she loves it. Well, this is gonna be gone really quick here, I think.
Oh my gosh. This is
All right, so that's the review, and hopefully we'll do another review with my mom one day.
Because today I'm talking about Jamaican food. I feel bad because last year I was supposed to go to a Jamaican restaurant. I was unable because my own mother got an accident. Yeah, and one of her legs was injured, completely injured. She broke bones, and I'm so happy that she's recuperating, right? I thank God for that. But this time around, this year, I'm planning to go to this same Jamaican restaurant. You know, my birthday is around the corner. My birthday is around the corner. If there is anyone who would want to gift me as a present for my birthday to go to a Jamaican restaurant, to sponsor me to go to a Jamaican restaurant, I'll be so much happy. It's a one-time thing, ladies and gentlemen. But we are good, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing in this world tastes better than Jamaican food. I have tried myself. Yes, I have tried and tasted Jamaican food, rice, beans, and oxtail in a Jamaican restaurant in Nairobi. Actually, my profile picture from my first YouTube channel, I took it in a Jamaican restaurant. Ladies and gentlemen, the best thing that I have ever tasted in my entire life. Please, I would want the rest of the world to please come and try Jamaican food. If you're looking, if you want a food channel, or if you're so curious about how different cuisines from different parts of the world taste, start with Jamaican food. You might not try other food. Trust me. Caution, you might not try other food. You will stick with Jamaican food because it is so nice. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless Jamaican people every time. God bless Jamaican people every time. Why does Jamaican food taste so nice? Because number one, culinary skills is a mandatory skill among Jamaican people. You have to know how to cook. Number two, Jamaican dishes or Jamaican food is cooked with a lot of precision. Yeah, it is cooked with a lot of precision. And another thing is there are different nationalities from different parts of the world that encompasses Jamaican food. Because in Jamaican food, you will find European. In Jamaican food, you will find Asia. In Jamaican food, you will find African. In Jamaican food, you'll find even Jamaican themselves, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it's a combination of recipe from different parts of the world.
Let's try Jamaican food. Also, happy Black History Month. Good, how are you?
I'll be assisting you.
I've actually never ever had Jamaican food, so I would love some. Yeah, I do.
I can try to go bring you a sample of the stew and curry chicken.
Oh,
a lot of people do like
sure.
Chicken.
Yeah, okay. That would be amazing. Thank you. It smells amazing in here.
Curry chicken, and this will be the stew chicken.
Oh, that's good.
Similar to the oxtail gravy.
I know you didn't give me the jerk chicken, but I want to order the jerk chicken.
You prefer half or white meat?
What do people usually get it with?
The dark.
I'll do the half chicken. I've never had collard greens, so I want to try that. Caribbean style mac and cheese, that sounds good, so I'll try that too.
We also have house-made drinks.
Which one's good? I don't know what these are.
I'll bring you a sample.
Wow, you did not have to do all that. Thank you so much.
Fruit punch, ginger beer, sorrel, passion fruit, Irish moss, and sour soap.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That has a kick. Tastes kind of herbal. Sea moss. I'll try like one of the sea moss. Thank you. Creamy, milky, and sweet.
You're chicken mac and cheese?
Yes. Oh wow, that looks good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That is crazy good. This is really good too. Jerk chicken. So juicy. Oh wow. It's so good. Some of the best mac and cheese I've had. Gravy is perfect with the chicken. It has a little heat too. Could I get a to-go box?
I'll bring it to you.
Thank you. Oh, I was gonna ask for extra. Oh, thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
Of course. There you go. What was your name again?
Mir.
Mir? How do you
Yes.
spell that?
So my name is Shamir.
Oh, okay, Mir. Okay.
So,
My name was
M-E-R.
Chris.
Nice
to meet you. I'm recording with my glasses. I post stuff on social media. Is it okay if I post it?
Yes, no worries.
As everybody eats Chris.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
And y'all know how the Mexicans was all mad at me or whatever, dude, and they didn't tell you, boy, about cup of corn? Well, I figured there's probably a bunch of cultures out here not telling me about their delicious food, dude. So I came to this Jamaican spot. Irie, Jamaican Cuisine. Oh, nice. This place empty as hell, no line. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go. Dude, it smells so good, dude. I got them to put the jerk. I got the pork, dude. This is hallelujah. It's like collard greens, but like Jamaican style, dude. I got the rice. I got the oxtail gravy thrown on here, dude. I'm about to try it. Here we go, dude. It's nothing like soul food like collard greens. Oh, but it's good though, dude. It's good. Oh, that's delicious, dude. It's like savory the same way, but it's different. I got the jerk pork. I'm gonna see what that's talking about. Oh, whoa, whoa! That jerk sauce is good, dude. That is fire. Oh yeah. Hold on. Gotta get the fatty part too, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, dude, shut up. That's bomb. The oxtail gravy. Oh, dude, it's like, I don't even know how to explain what this tastes like. It's savory and juicy and just good. It's just good, dude. I don't understand why this place isn't popping, dude. Like, this is like, I gotta be putting somebody's spot on blast. They didn't have no bumble clot left, but maybe you can catch them when they do, dude. But I got this little patty. This looks like it's like a meat pastry, dude. I gotta see what that's about. Dude, Jamaican food just tastes like I want food to taste. Jamaican food just tastes like I want food to taste. Why isn't every Pop-Tart got meat in it? Oh, that's like, this is like $5 on its own. That's one thing I will say. They ain't playing with these prices, dude. It's like $15 a plate, you know what I'm saying? But this shit is fire, dude. 10 out of 10. You know what? 10 out of 10. Go in there. The vibes are cool as hell in there. Oh, I got a freaking Tropicana freaking. She was like, you want a Jamaican drink? Dude, she was so cute. Look, dude. I got a mango carrot tropical rhythm. She said it's all natural. Dude, that hits. That is different. All right, guys, I'm gonna freaking smash this. Y'all smash that freaking like button, and maybe come check these guys out if you're in Chattanooga, dude.
Have I ever tried Jamaican food? Yes, I have tried and tasted Jamaican food, and I can accurately tell you here, Jamaican food is the medicine of the heart and soul. If you're happy, eat Jamaican food. If you're sad, eat Jamaican food. If your wife has divorced you, eat Jamaican food. If your husband has divorced you, eat Jamaican food. If you are having a ceremony, try Jamaican food. If you are trying to look for, different types of different kinds of food from different nationalities or cuisines, try Jamaican food. You will not go back. You will stick with Jamaican food. Why is Jamaican food so special? Why does it taste so nice? Because number one, Jamaican culinary skills is mandatory. Jamaicans start cooking. Cooking is a mandatory skill among Jamaican. You can't call yourself a Jamaican and you don't know how to cook. Cooking is a mandatory. It's a must skill. It's something that you must learn how to do that, ladies and gentlemen. And Jamaican food is not something that you can cook alone. No, you have to have Jamaican by your side. Yes, you must have a Jamaican by your side to show you how to prepare this meal step by step. It's not easy. It's not something that you learn on day one and you just know on day one. It's a process. It takes time. It takes time, ladies and gentlemen.
My Korean parents tried Jamaican food for the first time. Jerk chicken.
콩밥, caramel.
썬놈, 우와, 이거 뭐야? 자마이카, 왜? 맛있다.
How many times is
맛있다.
우리나라 밥하고 똑같은데 코코넛이 다르죠. 이게 너무 크다. 자,
김치가 오히려.
김치 doesn't go with coconut.
이거는 어울려.
이게 탄 게 아니고 약간 그런 카라멜 같은 그래서 이런 거.
오, 먹어야지, 그럼. 오, 너무 먹다. 야, 이게 다 한 입하고 빼. 엄마 봐. 짠맛이야, 진짜. 우와, 오, 맛있겠다.
바보하는 꼬리.
오, 얼마 맛있냐.
장조림 완전.
맛있다.
계란. 노란 거는 열매야. 과일. 아키.
아끼. 와. 완전 세상을 입은 거야, 이거. 오, 맛있네.
오, 괜찮은데? 이 노란 게 생선 그 내장에 보면은 요런 맛 나는 거 있어.
선물 먹어보자. 우와.
뜻밖의.
오, 진짜 선물이다.
완전 똑같아. 시나물 똑같아.
프렌트라고? 프렌트?
자메이칸에서는 플랜튼.
프렌트. 바나나보다 난
정말 빵 같아.
자마이카 버시.
빠이야!
You see, top menu in paradise will be Jamaican food because there is nothing that tastes so nice as Jamaican food. Have I ever eaten Jamaican food? Yes, I have eaten and tried Jamaican food at a Jamaican restaurant, and I had that video with me. Yes, rice, peas, and oxtail. That was my favorite. My second favorite is Jamaican beef patty. I've never tried Jamaican beef patty, but very soon I hope that I will try. And also, my birthday is around the corner, and in my birthday, I want to go and eat Jamaican food, ladies and gentlemen. If there is someone who acts for my birthday, if there is someone who can say, let me gift this guy so that he can go and try Jamaican food in a Jamaican restaurant, I'll be so much happy as a present for my birthday, ladies and gentlemen. It's around the corner. I want to go and try Jamaican food in Nairobi. I live 700 kilometers away from Jamaican restaurant. Okay, see, it's very far, but either way, there's nothing. There's nothing. Is there anything that is so wonderful in this world that is than Jamaican food? Is there? If Jamaican food is the medicine of the heart and soul. If you're happy, eat Jamaican food. If you're sad, eat Jamaican food. If you're enjoying life, eat Jamaican food. If you're a foreigner and you're trying to see how different food tastes from different nationalities, start with Jamaican food and you will not go back. You will not even have to try other nationalities. You will stick on Jamaican food. Watch this video.